Okay, you guys, so I found me some Pampas and I was like super scared to go into the bank and ask if I can cut a few Pampas down, but they said I can. So yeah, I'm gonna cut me a few. Looks like some people already went in there and cut some that were like more fluffy, but I'm just gonna get a few.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue.
So I left a few here, but I got a whole bunch over here, so I'm super excited. Let's get back to the car. Okay, so I'm back. It's like, what, 2 days later, I think, since I last recorded. So I had recorded me picking some Pampas on the side of the road, pretty much. It was by the bank, but I had asked them, you know, if I could cut some down. They're like, whatever. Pretty sure the guy didn't even know what I was talking about, because yeah. I will show you guys those Pampas here in a minute. You have to clean them because they can sometimes have like bugs and stuff in it, which mine definitely did, which was very gross. But I had contacted this girl that I had met at the Smorgasburg event thing. Sorry about my mirror being so dirty. I have to clean it tonight. It's dirty. But anyways, I had hit her up because I bought Pampas from her, and I didn't know how to like dry them and what the process was and what I needed to do and stuff. So she was kindly enough to like say, hey, you just need to clean them really good, rinse them out in your sink, and then let them be outside for, you know, a few days and stuff, maybe a week or so, for them to like completely dry in the sun. So I've been doing that. So I'll show you what they look like so far. They still have like probably a week or so to actually dry out, but they look so nice, and I'm so happy that I went to the bank and asked them like, hey, you know, is it okay if I cut a few? So I'm glad I asked. But since I'm up here, I want to give you guys a new like room tour kind of thing, because you've seen the Pampas that I bought the other day at the vendor spot from Sweet Peony. And so I found this vase at Marshall's for $12.99. It says it was handmade in Mexico. So like it's really pretty, you guys. I really like the texture on it and stuff. It's definitely like the neutral tones, definitely my type of vibe. I don't think I'm gonna leave it up here because I think it's maybe a lot going on. Although to me, it's kind of relaxing just having all these dried florals. But so far I have it in this vase with my lavender and just all these natural dried florals. I plan on putting the other Pampas in it so it can be even more fuller. And then what else do we got? I did find a vase. I didn't go thrifting like I said, but I went to Home Goods, and you guys, look how big this thing is. It's literally like up to my hip, although I am really short. I'm only 5 feet, but this thing is huge, and I got it for $34. I think it was $34.99. This thing is huge, but look at the vibe. I think that, you know, it's bringing this room together. So we got this nice chair that I had showed you guys that I got from Marshall's, the desk from Target. These vases are from Home Goods. I bought them, I think, last year. Thankfully, I was able to find a pair. I'm still debating this. I don't know, probably paint it. I still have this other one that I need to paint as well, like do the plastering and stuff. But anyways, so we have this going on. So when you go around the room, we have my big mirror here. I'm still debating on getting that round shape mirror, but the only thing is it's more skinnier, so I don't know how it will fill that part out. But I'm so excited. Look at this gorgeous freaking chair. Like, okay. Like, look at the material it's made out of. It's just comfy. This was for, I got a hair on it already. Of course, my hair sheds like crazy. But, oh my goodness. I think people call this, is it boucle, bustle? Y'all, I don't know what you call this material, but it's not even like scratchy or itchy. It's like the perfect material. I feel like it's just not itchy like how you would think wool would be and stuff. And then I love that it has the black legs and everything. So I got this for $179. I saved the tag so I can show you guys. I just got this today as my birthday present for, my birthday's in November, so this is my birthday gift. So yeah, $179. Name is this. Yep, can't say that, I don't think. I'm not gonna even try, but that is the name. Here is the website. I guess you can buy it off their website and stuff. So if you guys want to check it out, it's definitely a vibe in this room. So let me know in the comments, what do you think, like, so far of this portion of the room? Like, it's so relaxing to me, I think. But yeah, let me take you to the garage because that's where I have the other Pampas at. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the room so far. I love it. Let me know. Okay, I got this big roll of bubble wrap. Yeah. Don't pay it no mind. You know, my husband brought this from work. If y'all don't know, I do a whole bunch of crafts and stuff. So yeah, it's great to have free bubble wrap. Yeah, if you guys are interested in any cups, tumblers, I do snow globe tumblers. I've really been into doing that. Just check out my Instagram page. It will be linked down below in the description box. But anyways, you guys, look at this Pampas. Okay. So you should have seen them. I need to fluff them out more and stuff, but I'll work on that once they are more dried out and stuff. But you can see the stems are already kind of turning that brownish color, but we still got maybe a week or so left because, like, you can see that's still a color. I need it to be, you know, actually fully dried. So I got rubber bands on it. So I tied 2 of them together and then hang them over my gate. So that way they can be out in the sun and stuff, hanging upside down. But they are so pretty. I'm pretty sure I grabbed 8 of these. So I just have them right here for right now since the sun is pretty much going down and stuff. But yeah, these are so pretty. I don't know if I said before, I didn't want to record me rinsing them because it was just gross to me. I didn't really want to show like the bugs and stuff. But honestly, you just rinse them with the water and they start coming right out and stuff. And yeah, but it's definitely really pretty. Like, look how pretty that is. So I can't wait to put it either in another vase. I cut them kind of long, so if I need to cut them short, I can and stuff. But as far as, I think this is called a plume, it's pretty long. Like, they're really good. I think I did a good job picking them and stuff. So yeah, these are so pretty. I can't wait for them to actually fluff out and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's kind of little vlog style of me kind of cutting the Pampas and stuff. And it was definitely a rush doing that because I was like, oh man, what if like cops come, or I don't know. I mean, I asked for permission, but still I was still like freaking out and stuff. But I'm happy that I found some Pampas for free. I got 8 of them, so that's crazy to me, and I'm definitely surprised there was Pampas in this area, so that's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a like. Be sure to comment down below. Subscribe to my channel before you head out to another channel or to my next video. Show your girl some support, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.